In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your family in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you easy to follow instructions on where to find the option to change your family. So all that you have to do is first choose on any character that you have on any of these slots. When you load into the character and you are on the main menu, go over to customization. So instead of going over to play and loading into a lobby, a mission, or a raid, you have to go over to the customization page for your character. In here, you will be able to change various things about your character. And if you go over here at the bottom on the fifth icon, you will be able to find the option to change your family. So the way that this works is that you will be able to roll for various different families, and once you get any of the families listed here, you will earn their perks. So as you can see, they have mythical families which have an incredibly high rare chance of appearing. You have legendary, epic, rare, and common. Each of these families will have their own perks, and all that you have to do is click on roll. You will see the amount of rolls that you have, and there is a pity, meaning that after you roll 400 times, you are going to be guaranteed an epic family at least, or a higher one. You will be able to storage this family here, and you will be able to get them later. So for example, I have it stored here, and I can choose it from my storage. This way, I can switch between this one. So if I click swap, I can equip it. Now, for you to actually roll this, all that you have to do is go over here and then click roll. You will need to buy these rolls, so keep that in mind. They cost Robux, but every time that you click roll, one random family will be selected. Most common families do not have any buffs or debuffs, so you just have to keep rolling until you get a specific family that you want, or one that gives you some perks. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your family in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!